Tactical is a word that gets thrown around a lot when it comes to modern pocket knives. Well, pocket knives and a lot of other things. There are many products available to choose tactical military knife, each with different characteristic, benefits, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best tactical military knife from reputed brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Kershaw Emerson CQC Tactical Knife. I like the Kershaw Emerson CQC 7 because it is an inexpensive production knife based on a time-tested Ernest Emerson design. The hollow ground clip point blade is perfect for self-defense as well as EDC tasks. Its thumb disc on the spine of the blade acts as an easy opener for normal uses. The wave on the back of the blade, known as the Emerson wave, was designed specifically for Navy SEALs in self-defense situations. When pulled correctly from your pocket, the wave will catch on the side of the pocket and pull the knife open and lock in a matter of seconds, leaving one hand free while still deploying your blade. Even if you never use it in self-defense, it is a great way to impress your buddies. Number 2. Ka-Bar Full-Size U.S. Marine Corps Fighting Knife. The Ka-Bar isn't the most modern knife on the market, but it remains one of the most versatile knives on the market. What do you need a tactical knife for? Fighting and self-defense, camping, hiking, hunting, all the other tasks you could ever face in this big mean world. Well, the Ka-Bar can handle it. This tool has proven itself throughout several wars, including World War II, Vietnam, and the global war on terror. The Ka-Bar's 7 inches blade features a small section of serration that allows you to rip and tear into thicker materials. The blade sports a big belly, allowing for deep cuts and solid slices. You can skin game, sharpen steaks, and cut deep without a ton of effort. Number 3. CRKT Goken Pocket Knife. James Williams, one of the most respected American martial artists, helped CRKT design a simple but effective knife known as the Goken. The blade features a unique shape that allows for both deep slashes and quick stabs. CRKT uses a 3.69 inches blade made from 1.4116 stainless steel. This steel is plenty tough, with excellent corrosion resistance and great wear resistance. Altogether, it makes a dependable and tough blade for all your slicing and dicing needs. CRKT describes the blade as an Osaraku Zukuri modified Tanto-style blade. I can tell you it's got a nice corner for deep cuts and a scalpel-like tip that will dive deep and cut into whatever needs cutting. Number 4. Cold Steel 27 TLCC Hunting Folding Knives. Cold Steel is probably the mainstream knife company most closely associated with tactical knives. They make all kinds of crazy combat and self-defense oriented products. Push daggers, swords, a Q-button that looks like a Sharpie, that kind of thing. But when it comes to actual rely on it when it counts dependability and performance, Cold Steel's the real deal. Their line of folders that have been designed with input from Andrew Demko includes his Triad lock design, which is a modification of a lockback that includes a stop pin fitted between the lock bar and the tang of the blade, which eliminates vertical blade play and reduces the effect of wear on the two surfaces. Number 5. Zero Tolerance Combat Folder. The ZT301 weighs more than half of a pound. This is what built the house of zero tolerance, ridiculously, meticulously overbuilt knives that you can bring into hell and back no worse for the wear. The ZT301 actually went out of production and is back for a brief sprint run because retailers and consumers alike were upset it was gone, despite its old age. The 301 is a co-design between Mick Strider and Ken Onion, and there's a lot going on to be certain. It features a dramatic recurved drop point shape with a two-tone tiger stripe finish to the blade. It uses Kershaw's speed-safe assisted open technology to get the big blade out, so there's no worries of sand or other grit getting into a bunch of ball bearings.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information PF, if you want to know product price, do check out description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Thank you.